Today, I'm on a culinary quest through the heart of Malaysia, armed with nothing but curiosity and an empty stomach. The first item on the menu is the legendary Ramly burger, but things don't go exactly as planned. And later, I tackle the final boss of Asian fruits, the durian. Will I conquer it, or be left questioning my life choices? Let's find out. Welcome to the capital of Malaysia, KL. As you can see, it is hot. It is humid, I am sweating balls right now, and I haven't had breakfast, so I am starving. And the first order of business today is trying my first Ramly burger. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, Art, what the heck is a Ramly burger? That's exactly how I felt about a week ago. So I went online and I researched it. Apparently the Ramly burger was invented about 50 years ago by a Muslim butcher, and he was going around KL and he saw a lot of burger stalls, but he wasn't sure if those burgers were halal or not. So he decided to invent his own burger patty business, and he named it, of course, Ramly, because that is his name. And ever since then, about 50 years ago, it's been an absolute sensation here in Malaysia. And we're gonna go see how these Ramly burgers are made. They're a little special. The problem I've run into right now, though, is that most of these Ramly burger stalls only open at night. And as you can see, it's clear as day right now. So I'm here at Jalan Angkor, I think it's called. And that's probably wrong. But it's the main food street here in KL. And if I'm gonna find a Ramly burger anywhere, it's gonna be here on this street. So hopefully I can find one. They're all around the city, so it shouldn't be too hard. Well, apparently I was wrong about finding a Ramly burger on the biggest food street in KL in the afternoon. So I actually checked Google Maps, and there's one that's a 20-minute walk from here. Maybe I'll see another one along the way. If not, hopefully once I get there I can find a Ramly burger. Now, because I don't want to die of dehydration, I just had to stop for a little street lemonade. And if you want to guess how much this set me back, just comment down below how much you think I paid for this street lemonade. We'll see if you got it right a little later in the video. Let it be known officially that it is impossible to find a Ramly burger in the middle of the afternoon here in KL. So it looks like I'm gonna have to wait until 6 p.m. to try it. So for now, I'm gonna go and try another thing which I've never tried before and is very popular here in Malaysia, and that is the durian. Apparently they have a stall just down the road, so let's go check it out. And of course, I'm kind of scared to try this very controversial and stinky fruit. I'm here at a place called Perfect Durian, and they've been really helpful in choosing the durian. And this is actually the cheapest durian that they have here, which costs 38 ringgit. And I was so surprised by the price. I had no idea it was that expensive. I thought it would be like $5 max. And first thing I will say is that I had never even held a durian in my hand. And look how spiky it is. This fruit is extremely controversial because it's super smelly. Actually, you're not allowed to travel with this in many countries, and you're not allowed to have it inside closed spaces because it is incredibly stinky. Let's smell it first. You know, it's quite funny because I've smelled durian on the street before and it smelled pretty terrible, but it smells really nice and ripe. Let's get a chunk here. Oh, it's quite hard as well. Not a lot of like meat. Okay, this is durian take one. I'm kinda scared. Oh, that's a very interesting taste. It's not bad. Honestly, the first taste that I imagined was like a meat taste, which is kind of weird when you're having a fruit. So at first I was like, oh, this is gonna be terrible, but then like a sweetness kicks in, and it's actually quite nice. I really like it. Okay, that's much better. I think this is how you're meant to do it. So I'm holding it in my hand now, and I'm just gonna like chew it up, basically. I've been coming to Southeast Asia for about 10 years now, and I have never tried durian. I don't know how that happened, but I'm glad it's happening today. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. Like, isn't it supposed to smell bad?
Maybe because we put it in the fridge.
Oh. It's in the fridge, okay. Well, it's delicious. I'm glad I liked it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So it seems like I came to the right place. They like to call themselves Perfect Durian because I chose the perfect one today. So now that I've blown my food budget for the day on that durian, I just wanted to mention that I went online and some people were comparing durian to a mix between like caramel and blue cheese, which I thought was actually very accurate, especially the consistency is more like a caramel, but the taste, especially the initial taste, is very blue cheesy. And some other people were comparing it to caviar, which of course I know nothing about because I'm too poor to know. So I'm now heading to the Jalan Petaling market, which is another one of the main food markets here in KL, because there is a Malaysian dessert that I want to try over there, and it's 33 degrees, so I was actually planning on taking the subway. But you know what? That durian just gave me that extra dose of glucose that I needed, so I'm gonna walk about half an hour now, and I'll see you at Jalan Petaling in a bit. So as I walk, I just wanted to say, hey, welcome to Gringo Nation. My name is Art. If this is your first time here, I've been traveling the globe for about 10 years now, trying to make my life story a book worth reading, you know? If you also want to rewrite your story through travel and you think that's a message worth spreading, I'd really appreciate it if you could just click on that like button so it spreads to more people. So I've made it here to the general Jalan Petaling Market Street. The place I'm going to is a little off the main street, and I'm looking for a dessert called apam balik. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm pretty sure it's like a nut-based dessert. So it's probably like 2 or 3 p.m. and I still haven't had any savory food. But that should give me just enough time to have some dessert, maybe a beer, and then finally get that ramly burger. So I think it's on this street here. Oh, there it is. Nutty apam balik. Apparently a florist kind of street as well. Beautiful flowers everywhere. Okay, I made it here to Nutty. Got myself a coconut drink with some coconut meat in it. Very needed right now. Okay, so I got the original peanut flavor. And initially, it kind of reminds me of like a cornbread type of thing with some peanut inside. You can taste that peanut right away. And the dough or bread or whatever you want to call it is really nice and soft. This is my type of dessert. Also very filling. Actually, the dough is quite thick, as you can see, so it kind of also reminds me of like a pancake consistency. So maybe this would be like a Malaysian pancake peanut sandwich kind of thing. And they also have lots of other flavors like coconut and jelly.
One day later.
It's another day here in KL, and this is Ramly Burger Take 2. It's much less hot today because it's already 5:30 p.m. and I'm heading to a stall where I know they are going to have a Ramly burger. And actually, I'm feeling pretty good because I just got out of watching Twisters at a 4DX theater. Really rainy and foggy and windy, so the heat is not bothering me as much today. So let's go get this burger. It has come full circle because I am exactly where I started this video, and I definitely made a huge mistake coming here in the afternoon because Jalan Alor, which is this main food market here, is definitely a nighttime thing. So behind me you can see everyone setting up their stalls. You've got the smell of durian, the smell of meat in the air. So tonight I'm definitely finding this Ramly burger, and I have a feeling it's just around the corner. Thank you.
Thank you. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Coconut ice cream, durian ice cream. Drink also have. Jelly ball cocktail also have. Come here, come here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Actually, yesterday I was trying to find Ramly in the afternoon. It's impossible.
Oh,
You have to wait till 6 p.m.
6 p.m. open.
Yeah.
Special double beef cheeseburger.
Special, not double, okay? Just single.
Okay, this one.
Special beef burger.
beef burger.
Yeah.
Add-on cheese.
Add on cheese.
Okay.
Perfect. What's your name?
My name is Man.
Man.
Yeah.
M-A-N?
Man. M-A-N.
Yeah,
Man.
nice. Cool.
Where you from?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah. Neymar, Ronaldo.
Neymar, Ronaldo. Messi or Ronaldo? Messi or Ronaldo?
What do you prefer?
You. Messi
Well-
or Ronaldo?
I prefer Messi.
Oh no, I'm Ronaldo.
Right?
Ronaldo.
But
Messi.
I like Ronaldo from Brazil, like R9.
Oh.
You know R9?
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
No, three chicken and one 3 chicken, 1 meat.
Yeah, that's double. Yeah. No,
What's your name?
My name is Manj.
Manj?
Manj.
And?
Niall.
Niall? Yeah. And you guys are from the UK, so.
Yeah, Leeds, UK.
Alright. How'd you guys hear about this place?
We read it on YouTube and, well, read it on Google, saw it on YouTube before I
Oh, you saw a video on YouTube as well?
Saw it.
Cool. So you guys also just wanted to try the ramly?
Yeah.
You got ramlies?
Yes.
Alright.
I think they're all rambling.
Special sauce.
Spice quite early on.
Yeah, I've been getting used to it slowly in the past decade. I'm better now,
Yeah.
but I lived in China for a while and I used to get, one time I tried to order something in Mandarin and I thought I said not spicy, I may have said like extra.
Yeah, the opposite.
And I had like a hiccup attack in the
Yeah.
middle of the street.
I mean, there is, even in our books, there is such a thing as too hot.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You know, I mean, just because you've grown up on spice, it doesn't mean you sort of go for the spiciest thing every time.
Yeah. I think China may have been the spiciest. Just met a couple of lovely chaps here while waiting for my ramly burger. Shout out to Manj and Niall from the UK. Lovely guys. And I'm finally ready to eat my first ramly burger. Check that out. It's looking fantastic. Definitely competes for the world's messiest burger. I'm also having my third coffee of the day because they had a big line of people, so my burger took a while, so I thought they were giving me free coffee in a bag, and it was actually for the staff, so I drank it by accident, and now I have to have it. As you saw while they were making it, there's that big bucket of seasoning. I don't know exactly what's in there, but I know that another thing that makes this burger very special is they use the Maggi or the Maggi seasoning, so it really gives that special kick to the patties, the ramly burgers themselves. It was definitely worth the wait. So next time you're in KL, definitely check out Burger Boss here at Jalan Alor. Got the name right this time. Now that we've explored the delicious side of Malaysia, what about the cost of living? Click on the video that's on your screen and I'll break down the expenses and help you decide if this food paradise is also budget friendly. I'll see you right over in the next video in 3, 2, 1.